everyone, it's MK. Welcome back to MK Quilts. Look at this lovely runner that I'm working on, trying to get it done for a customer for the Christmas season. Just wanted to give another link for you if you're interested in this. This is a quilted floor rug. Ellen and I found this designer and these projects when we were at H&H this last spring, I guess it was, early summer. This is the version that I did. You can see it's rectangular. This one is a longer rectangular version, and we still have kits available. This is what the kit looks like, and there is enough fabric in this kit to do whichever orientation you would like to do. So the shorter rectangle version or the long runner, there's enough in here. Now, when we got these projects in, Ellen and I made a free course on the university platform. So I'm going to link that here for you. Ellen and I did ours on our long arms. So we kind of switched up the pattern a little bit. We're long armers, and we thought it would be fun to try to mostly do the project on the long arm. But this belongs to a customer who bought the quilt pattern rather, and she just did hers on her domestic machine, and now we're quilting it up for her. So whichever way you want to do it, we have just a few left. We also have the orange peel version. I'll drop the link to that as well. That's the curved version that Ellen did. I did the Christmas version, and they're just really fun. And yes, they truly are meant to be rugs, to be stood on, which is hard for us. So I haven't done that with mine yet, but just put some stickum stuff underneath the rug so that you don't slip on it or trip. But what a lovely project, and I'm really happy that we're able to get it done for Chris for the holiday. All right, stay tuned. Thank you so much. Get yours while they last. We won't be getting any more of these in stock, so grab it now. Even if you don't get it for this year, it's always next year. All right, everybody, that's all I got for you today from the Long Arm Studio to you. Happy quilting.